It just showed up, guys. I got a GoPro 10 for my mining videos. I can do some first-person mining videos. I do some mountain bike videos too. You know, lots of cool stuff with this thing. Last GoPro I had before this was a 3+ silver, so a little bit of an upgrade here. Came with a SanDisk 32GB Extreme, which is funny because that one sounds like it's a really fast card. It says 4K and everything at the top of there, with extreme capture and transfer and app speeds. And I bought this one from Costco for it. So the one I bought is a 256 Ultra. Looks like it would be slower. It doesn't say anything. It says full HD videos, nothing fancy. But if you look at the speeds, this one's actually faster. 120. When it came with is 100. Here's something else interesting. This is probably why people don't like a lot of modern products. Look at the back of the Extreme. It talks about like this video speed class, all this stuff. And if you look at this one, there's no mention of any of that. So if you want to compare the specs between these two, they're different. You can't even. They have all different measurements. All you can check are this speeds up to and the size. Everything else is a bunch of baloney marketing terms which you can't compare to anything else. This one doesn't even say 4K on it, and it's faster. So real world performance, we'll see. I also bought a rechargeable battery for it. So here it is, unboxing the GoPro 10. So I'd already accidentally pulled this off before I decided of doing that. There's just a little tab to pull, but I haven't gone any further than that. So it's got this nice carrying case. See what's in here. This is actually a pretty nice case. Camera must be updated before you can use it. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna update this thing, try it out tomorrow. The lens is huge on this thing compared to my other camera. Comes with a, like my old one, comes with a charging cable, USB-C. We got a mount here with a sticker, the threaded piece, one battery, a mount right here, which will slide into this thing wherever you stick that, and the camera. Your camera must be updated before you can use it. They're really serious about this. Not sure what update this needs to happen, because this was released on Friday, I think, and it's Monday today, so it's been a weekend, so not sure what kind of updates you need over the weekend. I'm excited to try this thing out. GoPro 10. One big button there. There's a door here that you can open. I'll try opening that later. Okay, well, I'll fiddle around with this and try it out. So you'll be seeing some footage from this soon. I am going to go and get a whole bunch of things. And then I got my chest mount that I also ordered that arrived last week. So I'll be putting that on the chest rig and doing some POV videos, assembling some stuff and everything. So expect some footage coming from this soon. Maybe some mountain bike videos as well while the weather holds out. Go out to the mountains and see what I can do. Alright, take it easy, guys.